Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change a ringtone of a specific person. Like you want to change a ringtone of one person and it's going to be changed like everyone. So to do this, I can show you how you can do it. Open up Messenger and logged into your account and go to that person chat, and then you have to do is click on their nameplate on the top, and then you will see this menu over here. So you have to do is click on that notification and sound, and then you click on that, you will see at the last notification sound text tune. Click on that, and then you will see over here bunch of options over here like custom sounds over here. So you have to do is click on any sound that you want to add on that person, and then that's it, and go back to your chats and then type over here, or like chat with your friends, and then whenever you come back to your messenger, and when they send you a message, you will pop-ups over here, or like a new sound comes in your phone, and then you will recognize that this person send you a message. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.